Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform the factory wake up of your Assioma Pro RL. So once you get your pedals from the box, they are asleep and discharged. You also get this adapter in your box and a cable like this. Now you might even have two adapters. If you have your detector in two pedals. So basically, if you have the Assioma RL 2 version, then you would have these indicators in both pedals. And in such case, you're gonna have to connect this adapter to both of them. You will see the contacts on each of your pedal like this, and you're gonna have to connect your adapter like this, and then you'll be able to use this two-sided USB-C cable, basically two-headed USB-C cable with the USB-A on the other side, to connect your pedals to the charging. So basically you insert your USB-C right here and your USB-A into the charging brick or your computer, and after that you just have to wait. So I'm gonna use a different cable connected to my charging brick. After you connect it to your Assioma Pro RL, I think I either didn't insert it properly. Okay, so I didn't insert it properly. So after that, your pedals will start glowing red, and you just have to wait until they are fully charged and they start glowing green, and then you'll be able to start to install them on your bike and start using them as intended. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.